everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing to this channel. For today's video, I just wanted to share a quick easy DIY for some cowhide sandals. I've been wanting some lately, but they are pretty expensive online, so I just got like a cheapo type of sandal I got them from Target, and then I just bought like the cowhide at Hobby Lobby, and then I just put those together. But you guys will see that in the video. I've been really into the Western like wear. I love that, the way it looks. So for today's video, at the end, if you guys stick around, then I'll just show you guys this outfit and how I paired the sandals with my outfit. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. Alright, so in getting started, you'll need some painter's tape, some crazy Gorilla Glue, something that's really strong so that the faux cowhide can stick to the your sandals, and then I used some little like concho buttons that I'll show you and tell you guys about later on in the video. What you're going to do is take your painter's tape and you're just going to basically get the shape of the sandal that you are using. To make sure you want to get the correct like shape and size of your shoe, just make sure when you're putting the tape over your shoe that you are really pressing that into that seam, so that way you get, like I said, the correct size. After you've placed all of your tape onto your shoe, you're just going to trace out where that seam was at, and then you're going to cut this out, and this will become your template for your shoe. I also wanted to mention, when you are lifting up the painter's tape, if that's the tape you go with, just make sure to carefully lift that up, because I found that painter's tape doesn't really like to stick to itself like regular tape. So now what you're going to do is just place this wherever you want. I really want the cowhide to be going down onto the shoe, so that way when you put on the shoe, or actually I might do it this way, so then when you put on the shoe, the cowhide is going that way. So basically you're just going to set that down wherever you want, trace it out, and then cut it. When both of your templates have been cut out, then you're just going to start in small sections and start gluing this down onto both of your shoes. Make sure you're really butting those like seams up together, that way it fits perfectly. You can leave them like this, but I really want to add these like conchos on them. I'm not too sure if I should add it here in the middle, or if I should add it on the outside, like almost in about the middle. I think I might go with that, but then I kind of like them also on the top, so I'm unsure. Let me know, guys, in the comments what you like better, on the top or closer to the front, on the side. I don't know, I'm not too sure yet, but I mean, I can always make other ones too, but I'm not sure. Just let me know. I was really undecisive, so I went to go ask my husband, and he said that he
thinks it would look best like at the corner at the top, like right here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that to both. The way I'm gonna get it on there is by using this hole punch. So I'm just gonna have to punch through all that layers. I mean, yeah, so let's see how it turns out. So I've literally been struggling to try to put this on. So I thought it would work with the hole punch, but that wasn't the case. So I found this like little drill that my mother-in-law has, and I'm like using this thing here just to drill like a hole in the front and then into the shoe. And once that was done, as you can see, I had to push that through, like the back of this through there first, and then I put that on there and screwed it on, and now it stayed. And so now I'm gonna struggle again and do it to the other shoe. So I'm gonna do this off camera just because it takes me a while, and I mean, I know now what to do, so hopefully this one doesn't take me that long, but I'll show you guys the finished product once they're both finished. Okay, so the second one didn't take me quite as long as I thought it would, but oh my god, these are the finished shoes, guys, and I'm so happy on how they turned out. Oh my god, I love them. I'm gonna have to do this to like a lot of other shoes. If you guys want to see how I style these, just let me know down in the comments below if you guys want to see a video of like Western fashion. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.